Hello, do you want to know what English really is? Why do people all over the world speak English? If you want to study, work, or travel, English can change your life. In this video, I will explain English language in a very simple way. Let's begin. Hello everyone, welcome to my NEU English channel and English speaking day 1. In this channel, I am teaching a 30-day English speaking course. This course is for beginners, students, and anyone who understands English but cannot speak. In these 30 days, we will practice simple English speaking step by step. I will speak slowly and clearly so everyone can understand. You do not need perfect English. You do not need fast English. You only need practice, patience, and confidence. If you follow this course daily, your English speaking will improve. Today's video is very important. Today we will learn what is English, what is the definition of English, why English is important, where do people use English. This video is for beginners. Listen carefully and stay till the end. Definition of English. So what is English? English is a language. A language is a way to speak, write, read, and understand each other. English is used to communicate. People use English to talk to others, share ideas, ask questions, and give information. In simple words, English is a language used to communicate with people. Where did English come from? English started in England. That is why it is called English. At first, only people in England spoke English, but today English is a global language. People speak English in schools, offices, airports, internet, and social media. English is spoken in many countries. Why is English important? English is important because English is the international language. People from different countries English used to talk. English helps you get a good education, get a good job, use the internet, watch videos, and read books. If you know English, you can connect with the world. Types of English. There are different types of English. The main types are spoken English. We use it when we talk. Written English. We use it when we write. Formal English used in schools, offices, and meetings. Informal English used with friends and family. All types are important. Is English difficult? Many people think English is difficult, but this is not true. English easy becomes when you learn daily, practice speaking, use simple words, do not fear mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Everyone makes mistakes. That is working. Now you understand what English is, why English is important, how English helps you. English is not magic. English is a skill. You can learn it, you can speak it, you can improve it. Just practice every day. If you like this video, like, subscribe to the channel and comment below, I want to learn English. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.